Hi everyone, welcome to Seismic data processing course. In the previous lecture we talked about the filtering, the low pass, high pass and band pass, and also the notch pass filtering. So in today's lecture we'll practice some of this filtering using the Seisee software. I'm gonna leave to download the software in the description below. It's very easy. All you have to do is just a click, and then you have to set the language, and then next. It's very easy, straightforward. So I'm gonna keep the download for the software and also the SIGY so you can practice. I have in here filter, open. I have this is filter exercise data, this SIGY. I'm gonna keep it with the download link. Okay, so this is the interface of the Seisee software. We have the display. If you need to display the wiggle first. So this is the wiggle. Then I remove the filter, you will see the wiggles in here. If you need to also do display the mode, we have the gray, or also we have the color mode. Most of the time we use the color with the wiggles. Okay, and also we have this is the wiggle full. If you needed a positive full or negative full. Negative full this side when the wave is going down. If you need this positive full, for this side that's going up. This is the positive full, and we have negative full. If you need to change the color of the wiggle, you can change, for example, this is yellow, so you can easily see the curving of the seismic wave. We have the scale. We can change the scale from here, and we have the time. The scale is the traces per centimeter. Okay, and we have the time within the centimeter per second. And you can manipulate it with your mouse to make it bigger, up, down, whatever you need. And also we have the display. You keep it normal display, and within the processing we have the AGC. Keep it AGC filtering. This is the automatic filtering. Okay, so we go for processing. We have the parameters. Within the processing, this is the band pass filter. We have to set the F1, F2, F3, F4, and we said if you set the F1, F2 is very sharp, so you'll have the Gibbs effect. You can see the white in here, the Gibbs effect. All these white in here is called the Gibbs effect. The Gibbs effect will cause oscillations going up and down within the seismic wave, because what I'm using in here is very sharp edges between the F1 and F2. But if we change this one, so if we need to make it to remove the low frequency, and we keep the high frequency, so we can do that. For example, this is 40, 50, I'm gonna say 60. So in here we will remove all the low frequency and we keep just the high frequency. Use filter and then apply. Okay, so we can see we have some wiggles, but we remove the low frequency and we keep only the high frequency data. And we can do the opposite. We can go from here also. This is very short way. So this one, if you need only the low frequency, this is 10. For example, this is 15, and this is 20. Apply. So we have only the low frequency. So we have the low frequency, the long wavelength. This is very long wavelength, and we remove the high frequency. We keep only the low frequency. And also we have from here, we have within the view, we have a spectrum window. This is the whole section. You can see this is the amplitude from here, and we have the frequency from here. This is most of the frequency and amplitude focusing on from 10 to 40. This is the most of the focusing frequencies. So the current state that we are the current select now, these are the current traces, the one that we are on selecting this one. Okay, and we have the range. So in this you can check your frequencies and amplitude. So the high amplitude, for example, you have in here almost amplitude, you have the 90. This is a very powerful energy, and the most of the frequency is focusing from 10 to 40, though this is considered a very low frequency, and this is the long lambda, long wavelength. And also we have in here the seismic, we have the trace header. You can check the trace header of your SIG-Y data, and we have the hide copy, and they are the seismic. So this is all you need to know about the Seisee software at the beginning, and we will go going deeper after each lecture. And also I give you the Vista 1 software, so the two software is very important within the seismic data processing course. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.